Hello, I'm Edwin Panjaitan, the School Director of Sekolah Dharma Putra Advent. I'm delighted to welcome you to Sekolah Dharma Putra Advent. Our school mission stated to manifest an education based on the principles of Pancasila and Adventist education that develops students holistically, that nurtures the mind, body, and spirit of each student. At Sekolah Dharma Putra Advent, we prioritize academic excellence while also emphasizing the importance of character development, service to others, and a strong sense of community which prepare our students not only in this life but the life to come.
I like kindergarten. There's one of us that you can play with. And it will be a fun with space for you. There's also a playground, Montessori area. That will be fun for you. You will finally love it. Thank you.
I love studying at Sekolah Dharma Putra Advent Elementary because I learn a lot of things. Sekolah Dharma Putra Advent uses STEAM learning system that will help you to be creative and help you to solve problems. Come and join us.
The teaching and learning activities at Sekolah Dharma Putra Advent are designed as best possible to make the atmosphere at school enjoyable. With students coming from various backgrounds, here we teach them to appreciate differences in religion, ethnicity, and customs.
Dharma Putra Advent School sees coding is no longer just an optional extracurricular activity, but understands the importance of coding as part of the mandatory curriculum in an effort to equip students with the relevant technology skills. We are taught the basic understandings of coding, which is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, to being able to build websites and games, and I'm indeed enjoying it.
One of the flagship programs in Dharma Putra Advent Senior High is Technopreneurship. In this program, we learn everything from the production process, marketing strategy, and to financial calculation. The product created by Dharma Putra Advent Senior High students have been sold in large quantity, both within and outside the school. Throughout this process, students are taught to optimize the use technology in creating business. As the world continues to transform digitally, so it's Dharma Putra Advent School. One recent example, it was during the mid-semester test. The senior high student no longer use conventional paper-based tests to complete their exams, but instead paperless by using their mobile devices. And it was making easier and quicker for students and teachers to complete the entire process.
Besides pursuing academic achievements, we also at the same time continue to learn other extracurricular, from futsal, basketball, English club, wire, scouting, flag raising to Red Cross. These activities are provided as a platform for students to learn to be sportive and creative. Other things which NIPCA is good at, and I really like them, is having a complete suite of school facilities. To name them, a science lab, smart library, multi-purpose outdoor court, indoor sport hall, computer lab, multi-function hall, culinary studio, school canteen, school store, and the list just keep going on. All these indeed make my school experience complete, and you will not want to miss it.
At Sekolah Dharma Putra Advent, we believe that every child deserves to receive an education that can shape a bright future. Join us at Sekolah Dharma Putra Advent and let's together build a better future.